So guys, if you buy a product and your expectations are exceeded with that product, that means you were delighted with it. Currently, I am delighted by a product that I am using. It is one of the best Bluetooth earphone under 1500 rupees. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full review of this Leaf Fit earphones. Let's begin. So let's start the review with the build and design. As you see, this whole thing is built with plastic except the earbuds. Earbuds built with metal, except the part which sits in your ear is plastic, so you won't feel cold in the winter season. So that's great actually. And then we have this magnetic thing over here, so basically you can just attach the magnets and it will rest. Then we have this two modules over here. This one is the battery module. On this controller we have the micro USB port and 4 buttons: volume up, volume minus button, and when you press and hold those buttons you will skip the songs basically. And the middle button, you can use it to turn it on or turn it off, and you can double press that button to basically call last dialed number. And then we have fourth round button, and that button is used to basically trigger the Google Assistant or whatever assistant that you want to trigger in your smartphone. So that's a great thing, and actually the Google Assistant worked pretty well in this Bluetooth earphones. One of the most amazing thing about this, weight of both the modules are exactly similar, so they does not like unbalance or go one side, so that makes it very comfortable to use for longer session. And talking about comfort, it is very low profile in terms of width, and it fits very comfortably in my ear. And as you see, it is very comfortable to wear for longer session, and even while sleeping on the pillow it won't hurt my ear. So that's a great thing for me. So comfort wise, this is really good. And the build quality of this earphones is pretty fantastic, except the wires. These has the traditional round cables, and I don't think so that it's a good thing. When I move this joint like this, I hear some hissing sound in this left earbud, so that's a concerning point here. Now moving to the connectivity and range guys, this comes with Bluetooth 4.0. One of the worst thing about this one, that it cannot pair with two devices at the same time. Other than that, the connectivity and the range is pretty strong. And now moving to the most important thing about this earphone, basically the sound quality guys. I am super impressed with it. When I heard the sound quality of this earbuds, basically it's a wireless earphone, so that has to be considered in the mind while using it. I was blown away guys. It has very balanced sound signature. The sound quality is like it will be costing around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. The sound quality is that good. It's pretty fantastic. The bass is pretty fantastic. The vocal sounds pretty amazing, and even the highs are pretty clear. So that's a great thing. The whole frequencies are pretty balanced and it sounds pretty fantastic. The microphone's quality is good too. I have taken a lot of calls with it and the call quality was pretty clear. As per my testing goes, I got around 5 to 7 hours of continuous music playback with this Bluetooth earphone, so that's a great thing actually. And it took around 1.5 to 2 hours to completely charge, and my god, this becomes a whole package. The battery life is great, sound quality is great, build quality is great. Everything about this earphone is almost perfect, and in this price, this is one of the best value for money product that I have purchased. So if you wanna purchase this one, I will leave a link in the description box below. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button right now and share this video with your friends who are looking to buy any Bluetooth earphones. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.